yesterday I made a video of me opening the package, and it ended up being my Clinique Sonic system, which is this brush right here. And I'm super excited. It was my Christmas present that I kind of got early from both my older and little sister, I just found out. And I haven't used it yet, so I'm excited to try it and let you know what I think about it. Usually I don't read these booklets, but I was thinking last night when I got home from work that I probably should. And the first thing I read is before your first use, you should plug it in for 24 hours. So I didn't plug it in for 24 hours. I plugged it in when I got home from work, and it was 1 a.m. So it's been plugged in for about 10 hours now. Personally, I was just gonna use it and not read the book. But because it is a little bit of a harsher cleanse, it does say to only use for 30 seconds and then to follow with moisturizer, which of course I would have done. So when you click on the button, it will go on for 30 seconds. But after my face has gotten used to it, then you can do it twice and do it up to 1 minute. That is something that I'll build up to later. As of right now, I'm gonna use it in the mornings. I might start doing it at night. It just depends because of my work schedule. I sometimes get home really late and I just wanna take off my makeup and do my regular face wash and go to bed. So I'm going to get started and then let you know the process and show you how I use it. So it's been plugged into the charger though, just so you can see. And when I plugged it in, it didn't like light up or anything. And I was kind of worried that it wasn't charging, but after sitting on there for a minute, it flashed orange, and it kind of says like yellow means low, orange means like medium, and green, which is what it's at now, means fully charged. I am going to put my hair up, dampen my face, and then put on the scrub that I got with it. It is the Foaming Sonic Facial soap. And I haven't used this before, but I've used other Clinique items on my face, like my 7-day scrub. So I really don't think that I'm gonna have a reaction to it or anything, just because my face is already used to all of Clinique. But it will be interesting. I'm only gonna put a little bit on, I believe that. Okay, so I've put my hair up into a bun, and I looked into the book, and it says massage for approximately 5 seconds on forehead, on nose, and on chin, and then 15 seconds combined on both cheeks. So it should turn off in the 30 seconds, so hopefully I do the appropriate time on each side. Otherwise, you can just push the button again and get it to start up again if you miss. So I'm gonna put this on here. I'm only gonna do like that much. I really don't think I'll need that much, especially with this spreading it around. But let's get started. Okay, so this does not feel aggressive at all. It's actually a really soft brush. I was kind of worried about just how much it would move on my face, but it honestly, that was 30 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna do it again because I feel like that was just too short. I know I said I was gonna go easy, but that was really short. I'm gonna do it again, and I think my face will be fine. I know that it is a deeper cleanse, but that was just really short. I don't even wash my face normally that fast. So I'm gonna do it again and just rub it in everywhere. It said to do your cheeks in a circular motion, and then your chin and your nose, and then your forehead, like an up and down motion. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. That was really fast, and I feel like 30 seconds was super short. Okay, 1 minute, fine, that'll be good. So it does do a really good coverage. It's not aggressive on your face. It doesn't hurt at all. You don't need to apply extra pressure just because of the like buzzing massage noise that it does make. It does move it around and you can feel it actually cleansing in. So you can see like nothing comes off. You're not supposed to take your makeup off with this. You do this, I take my makeup off every single night, and so I just woke up with just my moisturizer on my face, and then I'm gonna wash it off and see how it is. That feels so short. Maybe I wash my face too long when I do it. So I'm just gonna turn it on and run water under it just to help get the water off of it, and then you just shake the excess water off. So now I'm gonna rinse off my face. So I am finished washing my face. It feels good. The only thing that I noticed right away is that I can't just like rub my hand on it, like it doesn't feel silky smooth. It kind of gets stuck and it's a little sticky. I don't know if I didn't wash it off well enough or if adding that extra minute did a difference, but I'm gonna go do my moisturizer and really see how it worked. Okay, now I'm at my vanity, and now that it has been sitting on for a little bit, it actually is a lot smoother. I think it was just because it was still moistened. I can run my finger over it and it feels like it actually is smooth. Looking closely at it, I mean, I only have used it one time, so I don't see a real result. After using it for a few weeks, maybe I will actually see something like drastically different with my skin, but I'm just happy because it is giving me a deeper cleanse on my face, and I just have had a good obsession with my face currently of just making sure it's clean and the products that I actually put on my face. So I'm gonna follow it up. Usually I do both of these, the turnaround revitalizing oil, but I'm not gonna use it this morning just because I did put it on last night and I don't really want to do too much. So I'm still gonna use my Clinique dramatically different lotion, and I just use a pump of it and it gives me a good amount. It looks small, but it actually covers everything, and this is what I use every day, and it's just gonna prep me for my daily routine of how I do my makeup. Okay, after rubbing it in, I do feel like I might just be in my head only because I want it to do something, but I do get a lot of like bumps here, like kind of blackheads, I guess, and it does feel a lot smoother. I'm really excited to see what this will do after a few weeks of using it. I don't think I'm gonna use it every day just because I don't want to overdo my face, so I'm gonna probably use it every other day, and that way it kind of just gets time, and then I'm gonna try to only do it for the 30 seconds. I think I was focused on talking about the process and I wanted to just like really deep cleanse my face, and I didn't realize how quick 30 seconds was. This is my results. I mean, you can't really see a lot different, but I'm excited. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow everything that I post. There is a link at the bottom to my first video, which is my daily routine. The only difference now between my daily routine and now is that every other day I will be using my Clinique purifying system, and everything else stays the same. So please subscribe, like this video, like my other video that I posted, and stay tuned to see what else I have to bring. Thank you for watching.